Good morning, everybody. We are here at the Love's Travel Center in Nogales, Arizona, or Rio Rico, depending on what you want to call it here. Heading up to Tucson, Arizona, going to MTD Products, pick up a load that we are taking out to Findlay, Ohio for delivery on Saturday morning. Pre-trip is complete. Breakfast is ready, which is my keto coffee that I just finished making. And now it is just time to head out, so let's get moving. Spent the afternoon here yesterday negotiating with brokers on what few amounts of loads that are available here in the area. Trying to make sure I keep my deadhead under 100 miles. I'll deadhead farther if the loads pay good enough, but they're going to pay just as good around here as they are over in Phoenix or anywhere else. There's just less available. The loads that are picking up today could not come to an agreement on anything with any load yesterday.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on East
Put a lot of work
Road.
into it, but waited till early this morning, and this is one of the loads we were targeting.
Turn left at the traffic
Won't get
light,
into the
then
exact
take the
rate,
first right.
but by waiting until today, the morning before it's got to be picked up, we managed to get over market rate and over $700 more than what they were willing to pay yesterday.
After 800 feet, turn left onto East River and then turn right.
And with $700 more than what they were paying yesterday, the broker is still making a profit on this.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first right.
This is New Love's. They just put this in since last time I was down here. I'm not sure exactly when it opened, but I was not aware it was even
Turn left and then turn
opening.
right to join the Interstate 19 line.
Turn right on I-19
After 300
North.
feet, turn right to join the Interstate 19 line. Now turn right to join the highway.
It is nice to have an option besides that Pilot, because that Pilot is a nightmare to go in and out of or park in. And according to our GPS, we'll be there around 9:30 this morning. Appointment time is 10:30. So let's get down the road and get there. Morning. Thanks.
6978 East Century Park Drive, on the right. Turn left.
Around out here in this gravel and get lined up straight so we're not blocking the driveway. Seems like the right thing to do. Here we are at MTD, and we are just going to wait to get checked in right here. Checked in. They gave us door 19. Have to back in, tandems to the rear, disconnect, and then we have to go across the street and wait for them to call us. we are loaded up with a bunch of Craftsman yard tools, almost to the back. We'll see what the weight is here shortly. Yeah, ignore the Amazon. They didn't want the strap back last Amazon load I did for them. They gave it back to me. But it's time to get this closed up, get to the guard shack, get our paperwork. All right, we are loaded up, got our paperwork, and on our way to Findlay, Ohio now, to Lowe's Distribution Center to deliver Saturday morning, 10 a.m. We are getting on Interstate 10 here in Tucson, or just on the east side of Tucson. And we will be on this highway on across Arizona and across most of New Mexico to Las Cruces, where we will be jumping on 25 and then Highway 70 and making our way towards Texas.
Continue on I-10.
Looks like we got some pretty nice weather for the drive today. It's about 75 degrees. Don't see any rain ahead of us. We should have a good afternoon of driving. We're going to get some miles out of the way and catch back up with y'all here a little bit further down the road.